Welcome back to Wallpaper Land, your ultimate destination for premium and luxury wallpapers in Dubai. Are you looking to transform your home or office with stunning designs that exude elegance and style? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into why Wallpaperland.ae is your go-to supplier for luxury wallpaper in Dubai, and how you can easily shop our exquisite collection online. Why choose luxury wallpaper? Luxury wallpaper isn't just a wall covering, it's a statement. From elegant florals to bold geometrics, our collection includes something for every style and taste. Whether you're going for a modern look, a classic vibe, or something uniquely textured, wallpaper can instantly change the atmosphere of any room. And the best part? It's an easy and effective way to refresh your space without a complete renovation. Our exclusive collection at Wallpaperland. We pride ourselves on curating an exclusive range of designs that cater to various preferences. Looking for something chic and modern? Check out our contemporary collections. Prefer a more traditional or classic feel? We've got timeless designs that bring elegance and sophistication to your space. And for those who love texture, our 3D and embossed wallpapers add depth and dimension to any room. The benefits of shopping at Wallpaperland.ae. Our online store, Wallpaperland.ae, makes shopping for your dream wallpaper effortless. Browse through our extensive catalog from the comfort of your home, compare styles, and read detailed descriptions to find the perfect match. Plus, our user-friendly interface makes it easy to filter by color, pattern, and price to suit your needs. And with secure payment options and fast delivery across Dubai, you can trust us to get your wallpaper to you quickly and safely. Where to shop wallpapers in Dubai? While you're redesigning your space, don't forget about your wallpapers. For the best wallpapers options in Dubai, visit Wallpaperland.ae. Why choose Wallpaperland? At Wallpaperland, we're not just about selling wallpaper, we're about providing a complete decor experience. Our team of experts is always ready to offer advice, whether you need help choosing the right pattern or guidance on installation. We pride ourselves on excellent customer service, competitive pricing, and a seamless shopping experience from start to finish. If you're ready to give your walls the upgrade they deserve, head over to Wallpaperland.ae and start exploring our stunning collections today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more decor inspiration.